all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a Christmas candle making vlog. Keep watching till the end. This Christmas Eve I am excited to present my latest Aromatic designer candle that embodies the spirit of the season. The candle making process involves several key steps to create a finished product. Initially, one must select the appropriate wax, which can include paraffin, soy, or V-wax, depending on the desired characteristics of the candle. I have used here pure soy wax. Firstly, gather wicks, fragrance oils, colors for your candles. Choose containers or any kind of molds that reflect your holiday theme. You must have a boiler for melting the wax safely. The wax is then melted in this boiler to ensure the even heating. Once it's melted, fragrance oil and colors can be added to enhance the candle's aesthetic and aromatic qualities. The next step involves preparing the wick, which should be securely anchored at the bottom of the mold or the container. Actually, this is the very first step which I used to do. After preparing all these stuffs, I go for melting the wax. After the wax reaches the optimal pouring temperature, it is carefully poured into the mold or the container. Here I am attaching some dried rose and chrysanthemum petals for enhancing its aesthetic beauty with the help of butter paper and heat gun. So spread the petals on the butter paper and wrap it around the candle, and then give some time for melting the wax slightly with the heat of the gun. You will see that the petals has been easily attached to its body. Okay, now come to the final step of the candle making process. The liquid melting wax will take around 20 to 30 minutes to get its solid form. Finally, release the candle from the mold. It is trimmed, labeled and packaged for the sale or personal use. Christmas candle making is one of those delightful activities that really gets you into the holiday spirit. There's something magical about gathering with friends or family, melting wax and pouring it into the festive molds. You can choose the colors from the rainbow and scents from classic pine to warm cinnamon, lavender to orange, making each candle a unique creation. The whole process is surprisingly easy and super fun as the wax melts and fills the room with its cozy aroma. Laughter and chatter fill the air, turning a simple craft into a cherished holiday tradition. Who would not love a handmade candle that smells like Christmas? So gather your supplies, put on some festive tunes, and dive into the joy of candle making. Utilizing special effects molds like Christmas tree or Merry Christmas calligraphic molds, I have created candles that not only serves as delightful sources of light but also as stunning decorative pieces. To elevate the sensory experience, I have infused these candles with a harmonious blend of orange and lavender essence. Ideal for creating a serene environment, these candles can be used during family dinners or quiet evenings by the fireplace, making it a thoughtful gift for your loved ones. In my next update, I will upload some elegant designed candles. So please keep your eye on my new content. Please do subscribe, comment and share my videos. Thanks for your valuable support and for being a part of my creative journey. Christmas serves as a reminder of the joy and warmth that family and friends bring into our lives. This holiday season, prioritize spending quality time with family and friends, creating lasting memories. Each family has unique traditions that enrich the Christmas experience, whether it's decorating the tree, singing carols, or preparing special meals, or making candles. These rituals create a sense of belonging. Embrace these traditions while also being open to new experiences that can enhance your celebrations. So let the spirit of Christmas illuminate your hearts with hope and joy. Guys, these candles are crafted in beautiful pastel shades that reflect the soft serene colors often associated with winter and contribute to a tranquil ambience. The invigorating scent of orange brings a refreshing brightness, while the calming aroma of lavender adds a soothing touch. Together, these fragrances create an inviting atmosphere perfect for holiday gatherings and moments for relaxation. Once the candles are set and ready to go, you can't help but feel a sense of accomplishment. Imagine lighting them on Christmas Eve, their warm glow casting a soft light over your celebrations. Not only do they add a personal touch to your holiday decor, but they also make fantastic gifts for your friends and family. It's a perfect way to spread cheer and create lasting memories during this wonderful season. Have a wonderful Merry Christmas to all of you. Stay tuned for the next. Till then, bye bye.